Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to use the Dasher Direct virtual card. Whether you're a Dash driver or someone looking for a convenient payment solution, this virtual card offers flexibility and ease of use. So let's dive in. So first things first, you need an account. You need to get your account verified. And in case you don't know how to do this, there are a lot of resource out there on the Dasher help page or Dasher support page, so to speak. You can follow the steps and get your Dasher Direct virtual card up and running. All right, that said, let's head over to our mobile device. And what we'll do is that we'll navigate to the Dasher Direct section. This is where you'll find all the information about your virtual card. Once you're in your Dasher Direct section, you'll see your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Take note of these details as you'll need them for online purchase. After you've set up your virtual card and you've gotten the details ready, you can use them to make online purchases wherever Visa cards are accepted. Simply enter the card information at the checkout, just like you would with a physical card. Alright, and there you have it. You now know how to use the Dasher Direct virtual card for seamless and secure payment. Whether you're shopping online or in a store, this virtual card offers convenience and of course peace of mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy dashing.